Marmite. What you see before you is a jar of the wonderful British yeast extract known as Marmite. Those of you who are Antipodean in Australia and New Zealand might know Marmite as well as your own national famous yeast extract, Vegemite. Vegemite is the Australian equivalent to Marmite. Now, those of us who brought up in Britain tend to love Marmite or hate it, because it is rather polarising. It's not something that everybody likes. So you either love it or hate it, and if you hate Marmite you're going to hate Vegemite and vice versa. And they're both excellent, they're both wonderful to eat. And I'll just show you very simply how we normally eat this in the United Kingdom. I don't know if you can see that very well, but Marmite is like a really thick, it's a yeast extract, so it's not unlike soy sauce, only this is in paste form rather than in liquid form. And we take it and spread it rather thinly on toast. So rather thinly, so it's less than, it's about half a teaspoonful, and some might say that's too much. I personally love it, so I put plenty on. And it's as simple as that. And I will eat some of that now and show you my reaction. So here we go. You either love it or hate it. I love it. It's got a salty, rich, deep umami flavour. It's an impossible flavour to explain really unless you actually had it. Vegemite's very similar, slightly more grainy. This is a bit smoother and perhaps a bit sharper in flavour. But both are so good you couldn't slip a Rizzler between them really. A shout goes out to my friend Patrick at Paddy Joe's Cooking, and this is my video response to his Vegemite video. Me and my mate Marmite. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.